Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I am doing a tutorial on this look I randomly put together. I was in the mood to do something colorful and fun and just wanted to play with my eyeshadow palettes. So if you are curious to see how I pretty much put this look together, keep watching. To start off, I always use a primer on the eyes. So using the Milani eyeshadow primer, my ultimate favorite at the moment, and just prime my eyelids. Going in with this palette, the City of Neon Lights from Rude Cosmetics, I'm going to apply the Rude Show from this palette and then just work on my above my crease. Using a very fluffy brush, I'm going to apply Glamour Day. Oh my gosh. Where's Glamour Day? This one right here. Right above, so just to help blend out the harsh line from the very dark color. Going to go straight ahead with some concealer, and I am using the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover, and this one is the shade Light Ivory. Using a flat brush, I'm going to apply Neon Land on the center, going towards the inner corner of my eye. It's giving watermelon at the moment. Using the same brush, I'm going to be applying Little Miss Starshine on the inner corner. Using a different brush, I'm going to be applying Lost in Coloration on the outer corner of the eyes. Using a flat angled brush, I'm going to apply this dark purple called Featured on this palette, the Roaring 20s Neons from Rude Cosmetics. For eyeliner, I am applying the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black. To prime my face, I'm using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. As the primer is setting on my face, I'm going to be applying lashes, and I'm using the Pearlescence Faux Mink Lashes. For foundation, I'm applying the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation, and this is the shade N1 Neutral Light. For concealer, I am using the Hourglass Concealer, and this is the shade Cotton. To set my face, I'm using the CoverGirl Clean Invisible Loose Powder in the shade Translucent Fair. For bronzer, I'm using the LYS No Limits Matte Bronzer in the shade Harmony. For blush, I'm using the Milani Baked Powder Blush in the shade Luminoso. For my lower lash line, I'm going to be applying that deep purple I applied up here, all on this area, just to smoke it out. For my waterline, I am applying the NYX Epic Wear Eyeliner Stick in the shade Berry Goth. For mascara, I am applying Benefit Fan Fest on my top lashes, and to keep that smoky purple going on, I'm going to apply the L'Oreal Voluminous Original, and this is, well, the shade is Deep Violet, so it's a purple mascara. For brows, I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz. Yeah, Brow Wiz in the shade Dark Brown. For lips, I'm applying the Maybelline Ultimate, what is it, matte, Ultimate Matte Lipstick. And this is the shade More Stone. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and putting another look randomly together. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.